Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of how to make your own FNAF game in Scratch. So in this episode, we're going to be making the actual camera changes. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I made a new sprite and made a slight adjustment to the screen itself. I added a camera map, so people know where these cameras actually lead to. So let's just get straight into it. So you're going to want to make a new sprite, call it Cam1, and you're going to make it a button and make sure it fits the size of your map. So you're going to make a second costume for it too, and you're going to make it green and the text white. But for now, we're just going to set on the gray setting. So the green flag clicked script as usual, but also add a switch costume to 1. We're going to see monitor up, go to front layer show, monitor down, go to front layer hide, or you could just do a hide if you want, but I'm doing a front layer. So when this sprite is clicked, here's what we are going to do. We're going to broadcast a new thing. We're going to also switch to costume 2. Actually, we're going to broadcast 2 new things. Alright, so we're going to call this one camera change, and we're gonna call this one Cam1 or Cam1, like that. Okay, that's it. That's all we need to do, and also make sure it goes to the right place you want it to, like so. Okay, there we go. Oh, hold up, I see my problem. Okay, make sure, like I said, make sure it goes to the right place it needs to go to. Now you're gonna duplicate that sprite and you're just gonna change the number, and you're gonna do this for the amount of times you, for how many cameras you want to make. So now I'm gonna make 6 cameras, cause that's how many cameras I made in the last episode. This is going to be camera 2. Camera 2 is the middle room. So we're going to put it right here. Now this is going to be the same, except it goes to a different location, which it is set to right now. And it's also going to broadcast the next cam, which for me is Cam 2. Let's try 223. No, that's a little too high. 215. Perfect. Alright, we're almost done. There we go. Alright, that's perfect. Now, this is going to be the annoying part. Now we're going to do the code for the camera. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the same thing for what we did for cams, except the sprite clicked thing, of course. So, instead of going to the front layer, it's just going to do its thing. So, instead of going to any layer, it's just going to, yeah. Okay. Now, the reason why I made the camera change broadcast is for my sound. Alright, that's my camera blip. So, as you may know, every time you click a camera in the original FNAF, it would make a sound. So that's what I'm doing, but I don't want to repeat it over and over again, so I'm just going to use a camera change broadcast, and it's just going to start that sound. Alright, that's all we do for the camera change part. Now this is the annoying part. We're going to do, when I receive cam 1, Switch costume to Cam 1, and we're going to do this for every single one. Like so. And done. Now since we used a sprite clicked, now we can... Oh, sorry. Now that we used the sprite clicked... Oh, I forgot about something. Right, okay. So, I forgot there's another annoying part. When one camera receives all the other cameras, it's going to switch back to costume 1. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. I forgot about that. My fault. Oh, I never made a broadcast for Cam 6. There we go. Alright, you're just gonna repeat that multiple times for the other camera sprites. So if it's Cam 2, you're gonna do when I receive any camera besides Cam 2, it'll switch back to its gray costume. So amazing. So you're just gonna repeat that over and over, but I'm not doing that right now. But that's surprisingly, believe it or not, the end of today's video. So if you guys enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one, which I'm actually going to release today. I'm doing another double upload, so see you guys later. Goodbye.